So my Degusta box has arrived. Degusta box is basically a monthly snack box. They send a bunch of snacks to your house to try. So I don't actually know what's in here, so this is a surprise box. You can't really pick your allergies or anything, so I'm hoping there's nothing haram in here. But I thought I'd order one and check it out. It's not too expensive, so it's $14.99 and you get one box per month. And I do actually have a discount code below. So if you use a discount code, you'll get £6 off your first box. So you'll just get all this for £9, which is pretty good. So I used a discount code myself. So this cost me £9. Let's see what we get. So this is a January box. It actually tells you what's in here. We've even got a recipe. Cool. Got another recipe card. Creamy cheese sauce. So I'm guessing that's in there. So we've got some energy overnight oats. Just add milk and chill. Okay. It looks healthy. That'll be good for Ramadan. We've got Korean style spicy barbecue crisps. Okay. No, I've never tried that. That'll be nice. We got a protein drink, Up and Go protein chocolate breakfast drink, 35 grams of protein. Okay, I've never tried this. That'll be good. We got a tikka masala curry kit. Again, never tried this before, so that'll be nice. Looks pretty easy as well. And then we've got some, okay, brilliant. My kids will like this. So it's a Pip organic smoothie. And brilliant, I'll get 2 of these. I've got 2 kids, so that works out nicely. I've got a creamy cheese sauce. And I think this is what they gave the recipe card for. Yeah, and give that a try. I've got some tofu. I've never used tofu before, so I'll have to give this. I'll have to figure that out. We got some wraps, which is what I think the breakfast burrito was for. That's nice. So it's not really a snack box, it's basically a food box. Raw fruit and nut bar. So far I can use every single one of these items. And there's something in here. So yeah, it's not a snack box. I thought it was a snack box. It's actually just like a random food box. Just to learn about new ingredients really. And we got a passata. So it's quite good actually. So all these items I can definitely use. So I got all this for £9 and it came to the house. Yeah, it's actually quite cool. I mean, I'm not sure about the tofu, but everything else I can definitely use. Right, thanks Degusta. If you want to give it a shot and want to try your own little box and see what comes in the Feb box, then I will leave a link in the description and you can get £6 off. Thanks for watching. Bye.